Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can manage your company's financials with Kladana. In Kladana, you can record payments against transactions or create independent payments. Based on the recorded payments, Kladana shows you the transaction payment status and your counterparty balance. Also, you can see cash flow details and reconciliations using reports. Let's see how to record payments. You can do it in two different ways. The first one is to create a payment record directly from the transaction. For example, we have made a purchase order to the grocery supplier, and after confirmation, we paid. So we need to record that payment. We paid from our bank account, so we click on Add Related option and choose Outgoing Payment. In case we paid by cash, I would choose Outgoing Cash Payment. An outgoing payment transaction is created. I created it using the Add Related button, which is why all fields are automatically filled. All I need to do is save. Let's check. The counterparty's name and paid sum coincide with the date from purchase order. The expense item is automatically chosen as expenses for purchases. The description is automatically formed. All paid sum is allocated to purchase order. In case you pay for several orders with one payment, you can create an outgoing payment against one of the orders and then reallocate paid sum using reallocate payment sum. After saving, I can see this payment transaction in the list of payments. It is very convenient to see all payments in one place. For each recorded payment, you can see the details, the type of transaction, my company details, from which bank account it was made or received, and the details. Also, you can adjust the list view for yourself and hide or open the columns. The second way to record a payment is to create a payment from the payment section and then, if necessary, link it with the appropriate transaction. For example, I want to record an incoming cash payment from the customer. In the Financials module, tab Payments, I choose the type Payments Received, an incoming cash payment. The customer who paid is Cosmetics customer, so I choose him. After counterparty is chosen, I press on Link Payment button. In the pop-up, I see all the transactions for that counterparty that are not linked with incoming payments. I can record payment received against the sales order, shipment, or invoice. So here I choose sales order and then press on Link button. Also, I fill the amount that I'm going to receive, and after that I click on Save. After that sales order is marked as paid, let's go to the sales orders list. Now I open the sales order, and in related transactions, you can see the incoming cash payment is recorded. Also, the status is paid. In financial modules, there are two useful reports to monitor money flow. The first one is cash flow report. To open it, go to Financials and then Cash Flow Report. You can choose a period and your company to analyze. In this report, you will see the total sum of incoming and outgoing payments for each day. If you click through any line for a specific day, you'll be able to see a detailed list of payments for that day. The second report is a statement of accounts with your counterparties. Here again, you can choose a period and see the counterparty turnover and balance. If you click through any line for a specific counterparty, you'll see a detailed list of transactions that form the ending balance for the chosen date. Pay attention that only these type of transactions change the counterparty's balance. Invoices, orders do not affect the counterparty's balance. That's a short video of how financials work in Kladana. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.